Welcome to the Garage Roof Project. I'm just going to show you what we've done yesterday before we start. Okay, so here we are after we've shifted the corrugated off the roof, and we've now got a situation where there are two sheets on the end of the roof now. I didn't want to put a weakness near the end of the roof, so I put the weakness in the middle. If you can see here, there's a little section in the middle that needs to be sorted out. And they're all screwed down now. The seam has to be done yet, but there needs to be supporting timbers put under the seam first. Okay, so we're at this stage where we've covered the hole in the middle with the corrugated sheeting. We've got 6 sheets on. We're now going to make the cover for the centerpiece. The underside of this seam has now got support, and I think the underside of that seam at the end has got support as well. That seam hasn't got anything yet. Also, the membrane should arrive today, so we're going to crack on with it and try and get it done. It's got a bit of dew on this OSB, so it doesn't warp it or something. Okay, so that's the support on the seam. And you can see we've done that one as well. And we haven't got anything supporting this yet. And then that seam still needs a support, so I won't be going on that bit of the roof just yet. So here we are with the next stage. Got some cross pieces in. Perfect. Well, I obviously measured that correctly. There you go, perfect fit. So there you go folks, perfect fit. The roof is now fitted. Now if you're wondering what that is, that's because the other boards are a bit short, and so we are going to put a piece in there. So I will show you that when it's finished. So here we are, near the end of the roofing phase of the job now. The membrane should have arrived today, but it hasn't, so I'm a bit worried because I don't want this to get wet. Put a little roof light in just over there. There's a couple of bits of corrugated still lying on the roof there. They need to be taken off. Just got to put the final screws in, and then we've got to wait for the membrane to arrive. So we've got most of it in. We've got a little roof light there, which is nice. And there's a few screws to put in just yet. Anyway folks, that's the end of this little episode. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.